Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Palworld enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to make eggs hatch faster in Palworld. To begin, your first step is to unlock the essential egg incubator. You'll find this crucial technology available at Technology Level 7, requiring ancient technology points to acquire. Once unlocked, gather 10 paldium fragments, 5 pieces of cloth, 30 stone, and 2 ancient civilization parts to craft it. Simply place your desired egg inside to start the incubation process. Understanding your egg's temperature preference is key to speeding up hatching. Each egg type, from scorching to frozen, thrives in a specific environment. When an egg is placed in the incubator, it will show a status message indicating its comfort level and how quickly it is incubating. Your goal is to achieve a very comfortable status, which boosts the incubation speed by 100%, significantly reducing wait times. To achieve the ideal temperature, you'll need to use environmental structures. For warm-loving eggs, a simple campfire or a heater works wonders, with a single campfire offering a 50% speed increase. For eggs that prefer the cold, a cooler is necessary, requiring a PAL with cooling suitability to function. Remember, multiple heating or cooling sources do not stack their effects, so one well-placed item is sufficient for optimal results. For maximum efficiency, consider setting up dedicated incubation zones. One area could have a heater for hot eggs, another a cooler for cold eggs, and a neutral space for others. Also, remember that your base's biome and the day-night cycle influence ambient temperatures. For those with server access, modifying the egg hatching time in the settings can provide instant results, but be aware that setting it to 0 might introduce unexpected issues. A value of 0.1 is often more stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.